nothing. I just took a shower.
Okay. Well, I just came to get my stuff. So I'm gonna go. Here's your key. Bye.
Sam! Sam, come here for a sec.
Yo, was that Sarah that was here?
Dude, she just called me beating off. It was horrible.
That happens. Dude.
Look at this.
Dude, look at... that has way too many exclamation points not to be legit.
That's what I'm saying.
All I have to say, dude. I mean, if you're not gonna scoop that, just let me know, man.
Where is it?
Look, that's right by 7-Eleven, right?
I think so. Yeah, Charles Street.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to check this out. Sir, do you know where 66 Charles is?
This is 66 Charles.
Here in regards to a listing on Craigslist about a time machine.
Time machine. What would you like to know?
Yeah, can you tell me about it?
Well, you have to keep it a secret. Not many people know about my time machine, but I have a time machine you can rewind and go backwards in time.
Any fast forward?
There's no fast forward. There's only rewind.
How much?
Well, you look like an honest lad. Let's say maybe we'll go for $40 for this time machine for you. What do you think about that?
Completely real?
Completely real as the past.
I can come back if it's not? Give my money back?
If you can come back, you can come back.
All right, $40.
$40 it is. There's the machine and there's the rewind button. Hey, have a nice trip.
Clearly I was beating off.
Okay. Well, I just came to get my stuff.
Oh, here's your lotion.
You know what? You can keep it. And here's your key.
Penacor for natural male enhancement. Side effects include violent diarrhea, rectal bleeding, and fatigue.
Jenny, maybe we should look into that.
Hey, don't worry. Your parents are gonna love you.
I don't want to do this right now. I'm sorry.
What?
Emerson's. It's a cool place.
What do you hear from Sarah?
Sarah's good.
Sarah,
Yeah.
She's good, Mom. She's good.
Good, do you miss her?
You're a little
Yeah,
tense.
I am a little tense. It's hard. I mean, I'm far away.
I think it's time you talk about it.
What are we gonna talk? I mean,
What?
Intercourse?
Well, honey,
What?
you know,
No.
Jed, we haven't talked to you about, making sure you're taking
Mom.
proper precautions. You have a girlfriend, you love her.
Mom,
There's other
Didn't you
people
haven't
here.
you talked to him yet?
No, it's your responsibility. I'm not the man.
No, we're not having this fucking conversation. No way.
Nice. Twizzle, dwazzle, dwazzle, don't. Time for this one to come home.
Excuse me. I was looking for like a rewind button.
A rewind button? You mean a time machine?